Good morning, guys. Welcome to another weekly prep. My name is Sarah. I am the mom to 3 little girls, ages 6, 3.5, and 7 months. I guess she'll be 8 months when you guys are seeing this. I love to take you guys along and show you the fun and functional things we do on the weekends and how we create balance that sticks in our life, as hope that it can inspire and motivate you and just give you someone to relate to as another busy mom just trying to do her best and manage it all. So my older two are actually with my parents right now. They stayed the night last night and are staying through this afternoon. We're gonna have a movie night at home tonight. And normally, like, I am go, 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 get stuff done, but when they're gone on a Saturday, I really have a hard time motivating myself to do much of anything. But I did plan out my week, and my husband was baking cookies for his side business. He is a chef full-time, but he has a side business called Dough Daddy where he bakes cookies. So he was doing that, and the baby just took a nap, her morning nap, but I do have to film a video today. Got some laundry going, but I'm in my robe. It's just kind of a dreary day, and I don't have a lot of motivation to do much else than sit around, play with the baby, and hang out. So I've got my tripod set up right now. San went to Target with Gwenny to pick up some labels for his cookies he ran out of. So I'm gonna try to get this video filmed about busy bins, which I should have up already by the time this video goes live. So if you haven't checked it out, it's a really great video about toy rotation and a new system for toy rotation that I don't think it's revolutionary, but I don't think it's a very common way of doing it, and it's really worked well for my girls, so I thought I would share it with you guys. But I'm gonna sit down to film that video right now and knock that out. Can we just appreciate a cat's ability to just do absolutely nothing ever? February. So Stan got back a bit ago and we had some lunch. Laid Gwenny down. It took me over 2 hours, I think, from start to finish total to film that video, take a thumbnail, and then editing and everything else that goes into a video takes even longer. I'm kind of burnt out at this point. I'm just tired. I don't know. I think, you know, I always think of all the stuff I can do while my kids are gone, but it's also like, they're gone. I can actually just sit if I want to sit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sam's packing up his cookies, getting those ready. I'm gonna fold up this laundry, and then I think I'm gonna read, maybe watch a show. We'll see, I don't really know yet. Letting Gwenny watch Baby Signing Time for the first time, and she's loving it while we just sit down and plan for a second. Gwenny and I are just playing downstairs. About to go bring the big girls home. I have found I don't know what it is. When they're not home, I have like no motivation to do anything. I think I just am like tired. I don't know. I think when they're home, there's a sense of like, okay, I need to do it now before they wake up. And then when they're not home, it's like, well, I have all day and I just get bored. So anyway, I'm just gonna hang out till it's time to go get the girls. It is Sunday, guys. We had a little movie night in our bed last night, and the girls slept with me. Sam slept on the couch because queen bed, it's just not enough space for all of us. Because they earned that for filling up their stickers. They wanted to sleep with me, so that's what we did. Back hurts, but we're moving forward. We're gonna work on some homework that Celia has, and then for Girl Scouts, they got these bags full of just like recyclable things and stuff like that, and they have these little prompts of things. It's like a Earth Day kind of like recycling project, and they have to make things out of that. So that's what we're gonna work on this morning. So Celia's prompt is you're at the swimming pool on a nice warm day, but you forgot to bring your pool toys. Create a pool toy that would be fun to play with in the pool. So first of all, she created a little beach scene. This is the sand, the water. This is her little beach towel, and she made this umbrella We made a little kiddie pool. And then we made this floaty, which goes like this, so they can float in the pool. San took Bryony for a walk because she really wanted to go for a walk. Silly wanted to keep crafting, so I stayed here with her and Gwen. And I'm picking out Gwenny's 8-month outfit. She turns 8 months old tomorrow, so I'm gonna take a picture. I just wanted something that looked kind of springy. It's got a little bow, some jeggings, and this little outfit. Okay, we got Gwenny ready for her picture. Super quick and easy lunch. I'm having a sandwich and carrots. Girls are just having what we call dip lunch. She loves blueberries in her mush feeder, as you could tell. And we've been doing just like some really ripe bananas. We just mash them on some bread. She loves it. She loves it. So it's the end of nap and we've done a whole lot of nothing. Silly actually went to a neighbor friend's house to play for a little bit. The other girls are up. Sam's watching them, but I just want to show you guys here in Gwenny's room, the nursery, which has not changed much in the last 6 years. I just got some new stuff because these shelves were pretty bare and it's definitely not done, and I haven't even taken the tags off anything or put any pictures in the frames, but I'm not loving how this looks yet, but my mom got this piggy bank for Gwen. It says Gwenny Rose on it, so I'm gonna add this to it too. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that bird there because there's no other pop of that color here. This wall is green, but that's like a way different green. And I love this art piece, but I feel like it needs to be in a different color frame because I don't have any other wood tones in here. So I don't really know. I just threw her little. And my friend Courtney made that, and I will link to her little shop that she has. It's on Facebook for now. If you guys are interested, she made one for each of my girls, and I just love how they turned out. So there's a little bit of pops of purple and pink here. I would love to get more of the green, so we'll see. Definitely not in a hurry to get this looking perfect. We made some of these homemade popsicles using basically the Aldi version of Naked Juice. Bryony's trying it out. We're gonna have some alphabet cookies.
We had some leftover, not leftover, I bought a pork shoulder a while ago. Didn't have time to mess with the smoking today, so we just threw it in the oven.
Oh my gosh,
for a while. So just cooked it and we're gonna shred it and we're gonna make like barbecue burgers tonight because it's burger night today.
The girls are doing stamps and 3-year-old wanted to put it on her body and I was about to say no, and then I remembered it's bath night and I said, go crazy. Put them on your body, wherever you want. Life's too short. Not bad. Kitchen is clean. Dishwasher I need to run still, but floors are clean. Counters are clean. Table is clean. Gonna put this away. He likes to make sure this is clean properly, so we leave that for him. I am gonna just play with the girls and San until bath time, and then we'll lay him down, and I think I'm gonna dig into my intuitive eating workbook. I am almost done with the book, and so I'm gonna do the workbook next. I cannot even believe how life-changing all of this has been for me. I may need to do a whole nother video on it, but if you have not read Intuitive Eating, I would highly recommend it. It's totally changed my thoughts about dieting and food and weight loss and body acceptance and things like that in a way I never knew I needed. Highly recommend that. So I'm gonna go through the workbook now so I can really work on this, I guess. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I know I didn't do a whole lot this weekend. I just was really unmotivated. I don't know what was going on. I think the weather really affects me, and not having our older girls here yesterday, I don't know. I was like bored. I was bored today. It's like, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling like doing anything, which is not my norm, but I'm trying to just listen to my body, and if it's saying rest, then I try to rest. I don't really know what rest is with 3 kids, but I'm trying. So anyway, that's just encouragement. It's okay to not do stuff all the time. I don't do that. I know I do a lot, but I don't do stuff all the time. It's okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye guys.